today's video, we'll talk about why your Dyson is blinking a yellow light and how to fix it. Let's get started. The main cause of your Dyson blinking a yellow light is that some parts of the device are clogged or the battery is dead or damaged. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to resolve the issue. Firstly, clean the device. Disassemble the removable parts and check for the accumulation of dirt. The parts more prone to blockage include the head, filters, and cyclone. Use a damp cloth or brush tool to remove dirt from these parts. Don't use detergent. Wait for the parts to dry completely before reassembling and powering it back on. Secondly, reset the battery. To see if the battery is still functional, remove it from the device, then long press the reset button on the battery. Reinstall the battery and power the machine back on. If the blinking continues after cleaning and resetting, consider getting a battery replacement. Purchase a battery from a genuine store. If you're still eligible for a warranty, Dyson Company can replace the battery for free. And that's it. Thanks for watching till next time.